everybody today? Having a nice summer? It's not a nice summer, is it? But it's a nice summer for me because I've got some more goodies. So, what's in the box? Oh, it's not as heavy as I thought. Ooh, we've got here a bench supply unit. How neat and tidy is that? So, shall we have a look at it? It's a laboratory bench power supply from EduLab, and it's got more bits in than our other one. It comes with 2 keys. Keys? Wonder why we've got keys. Well, this little guy, which is brilliant, comes with a safety mode. So you can switch it or turn it. You can lock it into what voltage you're going to work with for the day with the class, or if you're experimenting. We can have ceiling voltage, and you're probably wondering why you'd need that. So I thought I'd have a bit of a play around with this guy. Ta-da! I've already plugged this in so you didn't have to watch me climbing over the bench to put it in. So we're going to plug this in at the back. Make sure it's off. We're going to plug it in, and then we're just going to switch it on. So there's a switch at the back. It's really nice and light. It's easy portable. I know a lot of schools, and our school, we have the heavier ones, so they're a bit of a nightmare to lug about. Nice and robust. What have we got? Every time this is cool also, every time you switch it on, it starts at 0. If you've not locked it, if it's just in the normal setting here, it'll start on 0. So if you've had A-level students and they've been using it at 12 volts, and then the rest of the kids come in, they're doing simple circuits, they only want to work at between sort of 1 and 6 volts. When they switch it back on, if you notice, look, if we turn this up, if you switch it off and they switch it on again, it starts back at 0. So fingers crossed, nobody's going to blow anything up. So let's have a go with something. Something nice and simple. Light bulb. And let's see. And this, I'm going to show you why it's a good idea to have the ceiling thing in. Again, you know physics is not my strong point, so bear with me. And also this proves then how easy this little guy is to use. So we stick our cables in. We've started at 0, light bulb, and we're just going to put it on. Oh, see that 1 volt, very tiny. This is a 1.5 volt bulb. 2, bright. Shouldn't really go a lot higher than this. What's going to happen if we go a bit higher? All 3, sunglasses. 4, sunglasses. Well, we could put a big one of these outside because we've not seen the sun for a while. Oh, it's blown. So how cool is that? So now I've got a blown bulb. It's not very good. So what you can do is you can set this. So you go on to your setting, 3, and that can be your ceiling, 3. Take the keys out so you can set up the whole classroom of these first, and then you can try again. And then I've set this now on 3. And the good thing is when you switch it off and on, it should be, and you shouldn't be able to get it any higher than 3. So let's have a go. Volts, that is. So the kids are going to come in, they're going to plug their light bulb in. When you switched it on and off, it goes back to 0. So it doesn't matter if they've been on, off, in a cupboard, they'll be set to 3 volts. 1, teeny bulb. 2, 3, and look, can't go any higher. Just think how many light bulbs you're going to save. Marvellous. So again, real easy. Just reset that. You're just going to pop your kit. I have to keep putting my glasses on as well. This getting older malarkey is ridiculous. So now, should we blow another one of those light bulbs? If we put it on, you see this is on, we're back to normal mode. So we can go up, little light bulb. Ready? Don't tell Alan, he'll kill me. So, I've blown up 2 of his light bulbs. I promised to replace them. And then what I've got here, I've got my multimeter ready, just to have a check at the voltage on here. Now, there can be some very slight variations, sort of 15%, depending on how old your multimeters are, how old your voltmeters are, how they're set up, all that accuracy. So we'll give this a go anyway. Obviously, you see there's already a really tiny reading. See, so we're about 1.16, so it's about 16%. Cool, pretty nifty, lightweight, will store nicely in your cupboard. You can get more than those bigger variations, ones that I know most of you schools have got. And every time you switch it off, it's off. Pretty cool, isn't it? I wonder what I could use it for at home.